Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your balance sheet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a balance sheet in your QuickBooks Online account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a balance sheet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a lot of times your accountant is going to ask for your balance sheet, or maybe because you're selling your company. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks Online account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a balance sheet in your QuickBooks account, first on the left, you want to click on menu. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on reports. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a lot of the different reports that are available to you inside QuickBooks Online. But normally what I'll do is I'll click right here on the search bar and just type in balance. Once you do that, you will see a few results, but click on this one, balance sheet. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to want to choose the parameters for your balance sheet. So you can do a custom date by clicking in here and changing these dates from this date to this date, or you can use these pre-populated features. So maybe I want a balance sheet for this year. I can click there. And then here you can go ahead and change the column or the accounting method if you want. So for example, we can go ahead and change this to, let's say, days and run report, and you're going to see the report change. So however you set this up, once you're ready to go ahead and create your balance sheet in QuickBooks, click on run report. So let's do weeks and run report. And a quick second later, the report is run right here. So you can go ahead and scroll through and then look at the data. Okay, so let me change this back to total only and run report. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show your balance sheet. And what you can do is you can actually just print it out right here. Or if you want to go ahead and export it to Excel or to a PDF, you can do that right here with this button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make a balance sheet in your QuickBooks Online account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.